Hello, fifth graders. I'm going to take you through today's practice activity called Shape Up. I noticed on slide 2 it has the directions. Use the ordered pairs or coordinates on slide 3. Here's slide 3. To graph 8 different shapes on slide 4. Here's slide 4. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at slide 3. I notice it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 shapes that I'm going to be graphing today. I'm going to show you how to do shape 1. As I look at the coordinates for shape 1, I notice the first coordinate is 10, 10. So I'm going to use slide 4 to graph 10, 10. The first thing I'm going to do is grab a dot. I notice that the dots for shape 1 are right here. So I'm just going to grab a dot. I know I need to use coordinate 10, 10. So remember, the first coordinate is the x coordinate, and the second coordinate is the y coordinate. And I'm going to be graphing it on this coordinate plane. And I like that name, coordinate plane, because when I think of a plane, you have to go down the runway before the plane takes off. And that's what we do. So we're going to start at the origin, the beginning, 0, 0. Remember, the x coordinate was 10, so I'm going to go to the right 10. And the y coordinate was 10, so I'm going to go up 10. And I'm going to place my dot on 10, 10. And the way I do that is I just let go. And there it is. Now I need to graph the second coordinate, which is 13, 15. So I'm going to grab a dot, start at the origin, go over 13, and up 15. And then I'm going to place my dot right there. The next coordinate is 16, 10. I'm going to grab my dot, start at the origin. Remember, going to go over 16 and up 10. I'm going to place my dot right there. Back to slide 3 for the last coordinate, which is 10, 10. Back to slide 4, grab my dot. Now I remember 10, 10 was that first coordinate I did, but that's okay. I'm going to place the dot again. Over 10, up 10, place my dot. Now it says that I'm going to be making shapes, so I need to turn this into a shape. How am I going to do that? It's actually very easy. I go over to Insert, Line, and I'm going to choose Polyline because I'm making polygons. So I go to the first coordinate, 10, 10, connect it to the second coordinate, and when I let go, watch what happens. I can keep making a line. So I'm going to make that third coordinate and connect it to the fourth coordinate. And I've made a polygon. Do you know what kind of polygon that is? Of course, it's a triangle. So the directions on slide 2 say when you're finished graphing, use slide 5 to describe what polygons you created. So I'm going to go to slide 5, shape 1. I know that I've created a triangle. So I'm going to type triangle. And I'm going to do that for all 8 shapes. But I also noticed on slide 6, this is an optional item, but it says color all the triangles blue. If I wanted to do that, I go back to slide 4, I click on the triangle, and I go to this paint bucket, and I choose blue, and it'll change my triangle to blue. Of course, if you prefer not to do this on the slideshow, you can go back to slide 2, print the worksheet, do it with pencil and paper, and send that to your teacher. Just don't forget to fill in slide 5. I hope you have some fun today.